What's up, YouTube? And welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. And today I'm out in the French Quarters in New Orleans and I'm looking for these people called the Traveling Gilberts. We're going to find out who are the Traveling Gilberts. I heard they're here somewhere at a restaurant called Deanies. So we're going to go to this restaurant called Deanies and try to figure out where the Traveling Gilberts are. Now, I went to my local bowling alley, the Bowl League, recently, and I asked everyone in the bowling alley who were the Traveling Gilberts. Let's see what their response was. Who are the Traveling Gilberts? Traveling Gilberts. Who are the Traveling Gilberts?
I don't know.
Who are the Traveling Gilberts?
Who? Traveling Gilberts.
Who are the Traveling Gilberts?
Who are they?
Hell if I know. Who are the Traveling Gilberts?
Who?
Who are they?
Traveling Wilburys is Tom Petty.
Joel, who are the Traveling Gilberts?
No.
You don't know who the Traveling Gilberts are?
Traveling dildos?
Yeah. No one in this bowling alley knows who the hell the Traveling Gilberts are. Who are they? Okay, so I see Deanies up ahead. The question is now, are we going to find the Traveling Gilberts? Or are we going to see who the Traveling Gilberts are? Hey folks, do you know who the Traveling Gilberts are? Who are they?
I'm not real sure.
The Traveling Gilberts?
Who the Traveling Gilberts?
Who the hell are the
I've been trying to figure out who the Traveling Gilberts is for weeks now. They told me they would be in Deanies.
Finally open. Thank goodness.
We're not really them, we're just pretending.
Just pretending to be the Traveling Gilberts.
Exactly.
Oh, they said it was two people from North Louisiana and they both had on blue shirts. I mean, I see a blue shirt, I see a blue shirt, and the shirt actually says Traveling Gilberts. So
I'm wondering who are they?
Deanies Restaurant is a New Orleans staple, locally owned and operated. They have 3 locations, all in the New Orleans metropolitan area. The restaurant's been around for over 50 years. It is a seafood soul kitchen restaurant with locations in the Garden District, the French Quarters, and Metairie. Oh yeah, throw a little butter on there, good and tender. If I can get this pack open. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Proper etiquette here, you know, I could be a messy eater. It's good stuff. There you go.
This is my fish ornament. I come every year to get the big lip fish ornament. I've got the Mardi Gras one, Santa Claus, I've got a nerd. I don't even know what all I've got. But this is just Merry Christmas this year. My $50 ornament, by the way.
Your $50 ornament.
Good Lord.
It's a tradition, though. You know, it doesn't matter the price. When it's a tradition, you got to go take care of the tradition.
And I could get it anywhere, but I got to get it in New Orleans.
Got to get it in New Orleans. How's that potato over there, Ronnie?
I haven't tried it yet, but I'm fixed to.
How's your potato over there, Scott? How's your potato?
I'm fixing to dig in.
The potato's delicious. I can tell you mine is delicious. I got this Nola beer here. It's a light blonde beer. I'm gonna try it for the first time here because I've never had it. Pretty big glass. It's good though. It's a light beer if you like a blonde ale. Never seen a New Orleans Bud Light before. How about that? Hashtag NOLA. Ready for some food. What y'all all order?
I ordered half seafood platter.
Half seafood?
I got the redfish and then a cup of seafood gumbo.
And what you order?
Stuffed fried shrimp.
Stuffed fried crabs. And I ordered some gumbo, a little small gumbo, and etouffee. Ordered the seafood gumbo. May not finish the etouffee though. I may take some to go, but if not, I'll probably finish it all. I ate earlier, so it's a possibility I may not finish the etouffee, but I'm definitely gonna finish the gumbo. Wow. That's a lot of food.
That's a lot of food.
That's a whole lot of food.
And this
that's a big old half platter.
Yes, it is.
So we got some etouffee here. And we got some gumbo right here. What you got over there, Teresa? What you got?
I got redfish with etouffee over it, and then I just put the salsa crab.
Oh wow, sauce shell crab. And a seafood gumbo. We got some good food here. What you got over here, Scott?
Stuffed shrimp.
Stuffed shrimp. Wow, this is a big stuffed shrimp. That's jumbo shrimp right there. Mountain of food.
It's great. The cocktail sauce, a lot of horseradish, very good. It's not out of a bottle, that's for sure. They made that.
Yeah, that's fresh right there.
They made that, so you can tell.
Etouffee is really good. Can't go wrong with etouffee. One of my favorite dishes. Can't go wrong.
Etouffee made right one.
Below that, we saw that monster of a plate you had there.
I don't think you're gonna see the bottom though. You ain't gonna see the plate.
You ain't getting all the way to the end.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
How is it so far? What's the best part?
I'm gonna tell you, the fish was great. The shrimp were good. And they, I don't know what this is exactly, but it was good. The little crab ball thing.
Crab ball.
Yeah, they're crab balls.
It was good.
It was good. How was yours?
My redfish was phenomenal. The gumbo, alright.
Gumbo was so-so.
Aye.
I kind of feel the same way. I'm liking the etouffee a lot more than the gumbo. Like I said, the gumbo is okay. The etouffee was a lot better. How was yours?
It was really good.
Now Scott had the big giant shrimp here, if you remember. That's one shrimp, believe it or not. That's one shrimp.
And I'm going to take that one down.
He's going to take that down. You got to slowly but surely take that sucker down when it's that big. You got to tell everybody how to eat a crawfish.
Well, I'll tell you, I was telling my daughter, she thought she was like the queen of crawfish or something, I guess. She sat there, you know, she's popping the head, you know, sucking the head, eating the tail, you know, tail meat. And I kept watching her. I said, so why are you leaving all that meat on that crawfish? And she said, I ain't leaving no meat on the crawfish. I'm sucking the head, I'm eating the tail. Well, she popped the head off. I popped the head off the crawfish. Stuck my finger in the, you know, in the head and pulled down like that. With all the rib meat. And I ate some of the rib meat. Oh, she looked at me all sideways. Then all of a sudden she started eating the rib meat. This one
you gotta eat the rib meat. You gotta eat the rib meat. I've never eaten the rib meat. I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it now.
It's good. I see it already. You trying? He said gonna call somebody to wheel me out.
Hey, I take it. So how overall you gonna grade the food here? How would you say?
Deanies, I tell you, Deanies is a good 7 in New Orleans. It's a good 8.5 in the French Quarter. So that's what I would do.
So how would you grade the food?
I say 8.
8.
8 out of 10.
So how would you grade the food?
I'd probably give it about an 8 too. But now, this first time I've been in the French Quarter about 30 years.
That's a long time.
So it's been. So I don't know how to rate. I don't have nothing to compare it to.
Well, it was good though.
It was good.
Now me, I would probably grade it. I would say, you know, the etouffee, I'd probably give it a 9. The etouffee was really good. The gumbo, I'd be a little harder. I'd probably say a 6 on the gumbo because I just didn't think the gumbo was that great. And I love gumbo, so I mean, all in all, and I've eaten the Deanies before, I'd probably give Deanies an 8, 7.5. I'm gonna say 8 because I've eaten here before. And I've had better experiences in the past at other locations, but I'd say an 8. But you know, for the day, for this food, I'd probably say a 7, about a 9 on the etouffee, and about a 6 on the gumbo. But the potatoes were really good. I enjoyed the potatoes. So today we found out who exactly the Traveling Gilberts are. We didn't know who the Traveling Gilberts are, but you know who they are now. So you are the Traveling Gilberts, am I correct?
It's us.
It's us.
It's us.
And I'm full. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and gumbo. and etouffee.